Cindy Strong here. Hey, so oh my gosh, you guys. So I was messing around a little in my back office, a social connector, and I saw some new things in there that we can put information in there, and AI will work for us. And I use ChatGPT a lot, so I had never like entered this stuff in there, and I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna check this out. And since I've been working on getting stuff ready for the boot camp, which starts on Tuesday, which I'm super excited about, funnel building boot camp to teach people how to build a funnel, I thought this is pretty cool. Now it's still in beta testing, but it's an AI funnel builder right inside a social connector. So I got to show you guys. I just got to show. Anyway, I was playing around with it and having some fun. So let me just show you what this is all about. I'll share my screen. Gotta make sure I do that. Entire screen. There we go. Share. 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 Whoops. Wrong one. Share. No. Share. Oh, come on. All right, let's do this over again. Oh, there we go. All right, so, okay. So here we go. I'm going to go to up here. Here it is. All right. So I went in the back office, and there's this area where you can put your brand voice and everything in there. So I actually made a brand voice for. I just thought, you know what? I'm just going to do it for the actual funnel build. I thought I would just, play around and build a funnel, do different things so I can teach different things. I like that. It's fun. And then, I was looking at this and I was thinking, I've never tried this. Still in beta. So there are some, there's some things that about it that aren't quite aren't quite there yet, but that's fine. That's whatever. So I clicked on here and I clicked on continue. And like I said, I've already pre-fed it some information about what I wanted it to talk about in this funnel. So I'm going to go to continue. Name of business. I'm just going to call it funnels made simple. Why not? And then I think, you just have to match this as closely as you can. So I came up with web site designer. I thought that was a close, because, a funnel is a website. So I'm going to click next. And then what do you want this business to do? Well, we do want it to generate more leads. And there's other, get more appointments, showcase your services, sell products and services. So there's all kinds of different ones. I guess we could try this. Why not? What the heck? And then the content should feel friendly, professional, inspirational, conversational, humorous, sarcastic. Oh yes, be sarcastic, or persuasive. I like friendly. That's kind of like me. And then you get 5 free funnel generation. Of course, I've been playing with it, so I only have 2 left, but that's okay. They're only $1.48 after 5 free generations. So, it's fine. All right, so I'm just going to click generate and wait a couple minutes. And this is pretty fun. What I like about it is that it just goes right in and sets everything up for you. A 1-page funnel. You can add more to it if you want, but it's already got it set up. Watch. It shouldn't take that long. It's a couple more seconds here. And come on. Generating images. So it does already come with images. Of course, I'm going to change everything. So it takes you right over to the design area. And I don't know what that is. food. Check that out though. I mean, come on. It's already set up. Like all you got to do is come in here, you change pictures and the words if you want, but it's already kind of has, oh, effortlessly convert leads into sales with simple, effective funnels. So this is actually already got some words in there because I fed it some of the words. Start your funnel journey today. Um, you can change this, of course, background picture, color, whatever you want. Change all of this out if you want. And but check it out. It's already set up. So all you got to do is, you know, drop and drag and then just look at that. Optimize existing funnels. I mean, you can put whatever you want here, but it's already set up. Testimonials, if you want to keep testimonials in there. If you don't, you could always just delete right there. And then FAQs. So there's that. And then, of course, this contact you. But it's already, I mean, that's half the battle right there is getting all the placement down. You know, I mean, you could follow a template or whatever, but oh my gosh. I was like, that's pretty cool. Now, it'd be nice if they had all your brand colors and everything already on here, but you can change that pretty easily. Anyway, I just had to show you guys this. I thought it was so fun, and I'm just going to have fun messing around with these. You know, I'll just do different pictures and colors and all kinds of stuff. We'll see what happens. So I have that boot camp coming up. You know, would love to have you guys join me. It's something that's going to be like, oh, let me, no, stop sharing my screen here. It's something that's going to be like, it's going to be evergreen after we go through the 6 weeks. It's 6 weeks long, but you know, you could just buy it now and wait 6 weeks and then binge watch it. That's what I like to do with like Netflix and stuff. I hate to start something and then I binge watch it and then you got to wait till the next week for the next episode. I mean, we used to have to do that all the time, but I just don't have the patience for it anymore. So I usually wait for everything to finalize and then go watch it because then I could just move along as I want. But what's cool about the boot camp is that I'm going to go live once a week. So if you wanted to hop on to a Zoom, I'll be doing stuff in real time. So you can ask me questions in real time as well. Or, you know, you could just ask me questions anytime on social media or in Messenger. So with that said, I'll put the link below this live for you guys to join if you want to. Otherwise, I'll see you around. I can't believe how fun this is going to be and easy. Look at that, just popped right in there. All you got to do is change stuff around and it's already set up for you. It's pretty cool. Okay. Anyway, I love you guys and I will see you next time. I'll probably pop in here tomorrow with something else. Who knows? Bye.